Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin now. Turn the unit power off and close the inlet valve to isolate water. Once pressure is relieved by dispensing for 5-10 seconds, open the service panel. Make sure you wear gloves and place a towel and bucket under the housing to catch water. This prevents spills. Confirm the replacement filter model by matching the part number on the housing label and the new cartridge. From here, you're ready to unthread the housing. Work methodically and keep parts organized for reassembly. Once the housing is loosened, support it with one hand and lower it slowly to avoid splashes. Remove the spent cartridge and inspect the O-ring. Debris or cracks mean replace it now. Clean the housing seat and rim with a lint-free cloth. Dirt prevents seals from seating. Insert the new Ruhens cartridge aligned with the housing guides so tabs click into place. Press down firmly to ensure it seats fully. Tighten the housing by hand until snug. Don't over-tighten, and confirm O-ring stays in place. Once the housing is secure, open the inlet valve slowly so the system repressurizes without shocking seals. You should check all joints and the housing seam for drips. If you see any, close the valve and tighten the housing another quarter turn. Run water through the filter for 3-5 minutes to purge air and any carbon fines. This also verifies flow. If leaks persist after tightening, shut the system down again and replace the O-ring. That single sealing component often resolves persistent leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.